In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Pepperstone account to TradingView and get started with trading efficiently. First, we'll begin by logging into TradingView. If you're not yet familiar with TradingView, it's an excellent platform for traders who want to analyze markets and execute trades effectively. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your trading panel. This panel is where you'll find all the key tools and features that TradingView has to offer to enhance your trading experience. Now, within the trading panel, you should look for the option to select a broker. In our case today, we'll be choosing Pepperstone. Selecting Pepperstone here is essential as it links your TradingView platform directly to your Pepperstone account, allowing for seamless trading. Once you've done that, it's time to log into your Pepperstone secure client area. If you don't already have a Pepperstone account, you'll need to set one up beforehand. For those who are unfamiliar, Pepperstone is a well-regarded online Forex and CFD broker known for its transparency and competitive spreads. After you've successfully logged into the Pepperstone client area, TradingView will present you with a pop-up. This notification is simply asking for your approval to connect your Pepperstone account with TradingView. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure to ensure your accounts are linked correctly. All you need to do is accept this approval request. With that, you're now ready to trade. Let's head over to the right side of your trading panel on TradingView, where you'll find the Trade section prominently displayed. This area is where you can execute your buying and selling actions. It's crucial to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features available here, because this is essentially your trading cockpit. When it comes to placing trades, you have several options at your disposal. You can choose between a market order, a limit order, or a stop order, depending on your trading strategy and goals. A market order is for when you want to buy or sell immediately at the current market price. It's usually the go-to choice for traders aiming to capitalize on real-time market movements. On the other hand, a limit order lets you set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. This option is particularly useful if you're waiting for the market to reach a certain level before making your move. Lastly, a stop order can act as either a stop loss to protect your downside or as a strategy to enter the market once a particular price point is reached. Understanding these types of orders and how they function is key to executing successful trades, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can connect your Pepperstone account to TradingView and start trading with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, being comfortable with these tools and options is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!